Hey guys, today I will show you an easy way of how to get voucher code in Gcash in 2025. Let's get started with the video. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. First, open your Gcash app and make sure you're logged in with an active account. From the home screen, tap on G Life. This is your gateway to exclusive promos, partner apps and deals. Scroll through the featured stores or search for the brand you want. Many partners now offer built-in discounts or voucher codes just for Gcash users. Next, select the store or promo you're interested in. If it includes a voucher, simply tap Claim or Buy with Voucher depending on the offer. If a code is included, it'll appear on screen and be sent to your Gcash inbox or email. No extra steps, no hidden fees. Some offers even auto-apply at checkout. So all you do is pay with Gcash, and the savings kick in instantly.